Once upon a time, in a small coastal village, lived a brave Airedale Terrier named Toby. Toby was known for his thick fur, strong legs, and an indomitable spirit. One day, as a storm raged outside, Toby noticed a small, frightened kitten clinging to a tree near his home. The kitten was unable to reach safety due to the high winds. Seeing the kitten's plight, Toby made up his mind. He bravely ventured out into the storm, his heart pounding with determination. The rain stung his eyes, and the wind howled like 1,000 wolves, but Toby pressed on. Reaching the tree, Toby used all his strength to pull the kitten down. With a final, exhausted effort, he managed to pull the kitten to safety. The kitten, now safe, purred gratefully as it snuggled up against Toby. News of Toby's heroics spread throughout the village. People lauded his bravery, but Toby was not concerned with praise. He had merely done what was right. From that day forward, Toby became an inspiration to all. He showed them that no matter how big the storm, or how fearsome the challenge, one can always find the courage to help another. And so, the moral of this story is, when faced with adversity, remember the courageous heart of an Airedale Terrier. Stand firm, help others, and you too can weather any storm.